So hello guys, it's your boy. I forgot what's my channel name. So it's Retarded Memes channel XD. So today I will continue my tutorial how to use the Microsoft Paint app. Oh, wow. Okay, so first of all, it's the bar where colors are. I bet you can't see it right there, but now you can. Haha. So you can choose any color you want there, and you can draw a fucking black cock or a smile. I mean, very beautiful black smile or brown. Sorry, I don't see colors. So now, of course, you can choose any brush you want, so you can make lines like this, which looks like a woman's boobies. Sorry, like holes in the ground, yes. And other tools you can use this eraser, which can erase your useless life, or you can even choose any color you want from this tab right there, and you can make a fucking sun, I mean a bloodbath or sun, as I said before. So of course you can use your imagination and type any word you want with the yes, I don't know how, with the text editor you can type anything you want, like letters, yes, but never forget that you need to change the color of the letters, yes. You can use brushes and draw another line, yeah, of course. English is my first language, yes, and you can make this beautiful circle, and you can even color it, and it's fucking retarded. That's how you look after I fucked your mother. Okay, so I think I will finish this video right there. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to don't forget to try it out with your Paint app, and enjoy it and be happy in this hard time when we're all are going to die because some COVID idiots don't understand that you need to stay at home. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, I hope in not 3 years. Bye bye, suckers.